Here's something a bit different for you Seagull fans. Here's a couple of heads here. If you look at this one, and then look at this one. That's a regular head. And this here has got a lot less volume in the head. It's a high compression head. And it's going to go on to pan this thing around over here. And this is an engine that I use all the time in a Seagull racing. And what's interesting, it's got an anti-cavitation plate because with this propeller on here, it's a, hang on, it's a P100 it says. And it just sucks down air. So for whatever reason, it needs a anti-cavitation plate. And I'll explain in a minute. So the first head I'm going to put on here is this one, which is a normal head. So I'm going to be putting it right onto here. I guess I'm going to need two hands. So here's something interesting. You can do the compression test on here, but sometimes I want to just turn the flywheel over a few times. Sometimes those coils and the condensers just need a little bit of help. So I made this. It's just basically a part of a drive in my chuck of my lathe, and I turned it down, and it just fits in here, and then it will be going into my drill over here, and you'll see what that looks like now. Into here, and we can spin this thing up a few times and see how it rotates, and we'll put our compression gauge in there as well. By the way, I don't like doing this dry cylinder, so I'll put a couple of squirts of old 3-in-1 into the cylinder just so that it's not dry. Now this is the standard head. Have a look here. And that just says 0. It's all been zeroed out. Standard head, and we'll just put the drill on here for a few moments, and just see what we got. So let's just have a look at that. So it says here that I have got, and I can't read it through my thing here, looks like about 60-70 pounds of pressure, which is normally about right for a standard head. It's about 60 or 70 pounds psi of pressure. Now we'll put the other head on and give that a try. So here's the next head to go on. It's the high compression one. It's got quite a bit of filling in here and here, not like this one here that's got it's completely round and void. This one here, it seems to be fuller, and it's got all this built up material in here. It's quite a bit smaller of a squish area for sure. Everyone stick that one up on and give it a try. It's all zeroed out. I'm going to grab my drill here, and let's just see if the high compression head is giving us a few more PSIs. I'll tell you one thing. It certainly is harder to turn over with that drill, I'll tell you. Just about took my arm off. Anyway, let's see what the compression is now. It looks like it's about just a tad over, it looks like it's a little tad over about 100 PSI, I think. I'm just going to have to take this and have a quicker look at this and see if I'm really reading that right.